Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to enjoy studying again. Let's start by understanding your unique learning style. Are you a visual learner, an auditory learner, or do you prefer hands-on activities? Knowing this can transform your study approach. Next, set small, clear goals for each session. For example, aim to master one specific concept or complete 2 practice problems. Finally, connect your studies to your larger aspirations. This provides a powerful sense of purpose. Creating the right environment is crucial for enjoyable studying. First, dedicate a specific, tidy space just for learning. This helps your brain associate the area with focus. Second, actively minimize distractions. Put your phone on silent and close irrelevant browser tabs. Consider using a timer for 25-minute focused bursts, followed by a 5-minute break. Lastly, personalize your space with elements like a comfortable chair or a small plant to make it inviting. Now, let's explore some smart study techniques. Instead of tackling a huge topic all at once, break it into smaller, 20-minute segments. This makes the task feel less daunting. Practice active recall by quizzing yourself without looking at your notes. This strengthens memory retention significantly. Another powerful method is to explain a concept aloud to an imaginary friend or even a pet. This process reveals gaps in your understanding and boosts confidence. To truly enjoy studying long-term, maintaining your well-being is key. Schedule short, 5-minute breaks every half hour to prevent burnout. Reward yourself with something small, like a favorite snack, after completing a challenging task. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and eat nutritious meals. These fuel your brain. Finally, engage with a study group or a mentor. Sharing insights can make learning more collaborative and fun.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.